Hi, in this video I'm going to reveal a very simple formula that you can use in order to discover your maintenance calorie intake, what you need to be taking in to maintain your body weight. That is the baseline where you start in order to lose body fat. Now, my name is Coach Jim O'Connor from a website called wellnessword.com. We are a consumer fat loss advocate website that you must actually go to in order to stay current and on top of what works and what doesn't. So let's get into that formula. So the big formula is this. You're going to take 10, just very simple. This is an approximation to start with. You need a baseline to start. You're going to take the number 10 and you're going to ask yourself, how much activity do I do per week in hours? Let's say you exercise 3 hours a week. So you're going to add 3 or whatever you exercise. If you exercise 5 hours a week to that number 10. So let's say it's 3 hours a week. So it would be 13. So you're going to take 13 and you're going to multiply 13 by your desired body weight that you want to be at. Now that will be the answer of your caloric intake that you need to start at in order to begin a reduction program, a fat reduction program. And I recommend decreasing that number by 10 to 20% daily and see what happens after a week or two with the scale. So once again, very, very simple. Use 10, the number 10, add the amount of hours that you do in physical activity, your exercise to the week, add that to it and multiply that particular number by your desired weight that you want to reach, your desired goal. And that will be your approximate starting point as far as how many calories you should be taking in per day. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and click like on it and follow this video because there is a lot more information that you're going to get, and just stay current on everything that we come up with. We are going to deliver to you, but you can't get this information if you don't follow or like us here on Facebook or on YouTube. So, and of course Facebook as well. So once again, thank you for watching the video. You can also visit us at wellnessword.com. There I have a 100% free report called Fat Loss Forever. I teach you the top 7 ways that you can train your brain for permanent fat loss. Now, this is the newest cutting-edge neuroscience of weight loss today, and it's information that you really need to discover. So thanks again for watching the video. I will see you in the next video.